friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 9th to the 15th. Now, first off, go to your digital coupons folder and see if you might have received a booster. I got this one, 10 back when you spend 50. Couple rules about this booster. It's valid from the 9th to the 15th. It is of a one-time use. And yes, it stacks with paper boosters. For the balance, use your debit or credit card or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess it up. Now, I know there's some other boosters out there, such as, a spend 5, get back 10, and it's valid right till the 20th. Will it stack with this one? Maybe, maybe not, but I mean, maybe give it a shot if you might get both. But I'm assuming that if you got the higher value one, you didn't get this one. As it's going to be Easter on Sunday, I'm assuming on Monday the 10th, it's going to hit 50% off on most of the Easter merchandise. If you're living in a city such as New York with very limited space on their floor, they usually pack things up right after the holiday and it's been sent off to a warehouse for auction or back to head office. But if you're living in more of a rural or a store where they don't pack everything up right away, I'm thinking on Monday the 10th, it's going to hit 50%. You could do me a huge favor and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and my channel, so take a second and like this video. Okay, let's start looking at the deals of the week. First deal I want to touch on is the CHERRIOS for $1.99. Now brace yourselves because I was looking for a digital coupon on a non-sales week. This is $5.99 a box. Oh my gosh. Let's load this digital coupon, which is $1 off of 2. Over on my absolute favorite app, Ibotta, we have 50 cents back on both boxes. So load this rebate right away. Here's the math. 2 of these CHERRIOS is $3.98, subtracting the digital. And then make that 50-cent submission twice to Ibotta. It makes it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per box. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down that balance. Now, the next deal is if you're going to someone's house for Easter and you're like, oh, I need to get something at the last minute. 2 for $9 for the Godiva. Ibotta has $1.25 back for each. So that's like really generous right there. 2 of the Godivas for $9. I would use a $4 store register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. Make your $2.50 submission to Ibotta. It's a very nice little hostess gift, I think. And again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use the Walgreens cash and the store register rewards. It shakes it out to $2.16 per, if you're just going to look at the brass tacks of the math, but just a really good deal. Now, if you go to your Walgreens page of your Ibotta account and you just go to the main page and go to the bottom where you submit your receipt, you see where it's like that teal circle with the little lines and it says 40? I have 40 different rebates activated on my account. Olay is one of them. So even if the manufacturer for CHERRIOS wanted to pull the rebate on Saturday, but they still allowed, the last 500 people to get that rebate, that's where I would look to see if I still have it. Not by scanning the item, but that window right there. I know a lot of people got turned around with the Axe deal and could not find their rebate, but it probably is still in your account if you go and look. It might not be, right now. But if you're trying to do a really hot deal and you have your Ibotta rebate loaded, definitely do this because sometimes this is a way around to still get the rebate and still get the deal. And this is definitely my absolute favorite deal of the week. It's on the Centrum multi-gummies. It has to be a multi-gummy for me to take a vitamin. We have this digital coupon. If you loaded it about a week or so, you can't load it anymore. I know there's a $2 digital, but this $4 one is what we're going to use. Ibotta has a $4 rebate, so activate that one right away, guys. Picking up one of these Centrum gummies for $10.99, subtracting the $4 digital, you'll pay $6.99, make a $4 submission to Ibotta. It's $2.99 for a product that's usually $15 at a pharmacy. Again, if you're using this or you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or store register rewards as well, but what a great deal. Now we're looking at a deal with the Herbal Essence Fancier Shampoo, 2 for $14, $3 reward when you buy 2. With the Herbal Essence, let's load this $4 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 shampoos, that's 14 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, it's 10. Get back your $3 register reward. The final price point here is 7 for 2 or $3.50 per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I strongly believe this is your laundry deal of the week. 3 for $8, Tide Simply, Downy, those great products. So we're going to grab 3. We also have 50-cent digitals for a couple of these products. So definitely go and load them right away. For a myriad of products, including the bounce dryer sheets that are all like itemized with that. But grabbing 3 of them, that's 8, subtracting $1 of digital coupons, 250 centers. You're paying 7 for the 3 or $2.33 per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. Need some paper products for your Easter guest. The Scott toilet paper or paper towel is 5. We have $1.25 IVC, so it's going to drop it down to $3.75 for either the toilet paper or paper towel. My absolute favorite deal is with the Olay body wash. Earn a $5 reward when you buy 3, and then we also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and they are $7 a pop. They are not cheap. Load our friend the 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and here's the deal. Grab 3 of them for 21, and if you might have a booster like spend 20, get back 5, load it. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 16 with your debit card, get back a $5 in Walgreens cash for that booster, and then a $5 register reward. That's $10 back, $6 for the 3 or $2 per. As you're using a goofy booster of spend 20 to get back 5, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Use your debit card. This deal is also really fantastic for the Airwick oils. They're $6.49 a pop. And then we're going to get a $6.49 off a 2 digital coupon. So definitely load that, guys. So grabbing 2 of these, it is $12.98. Subtracting that digital, you'll pay $6.49 for the 2 or $3.24 per oil. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down that balance. If you're anything like me, this Dr. Bronner stuff is look but don't touch because it's so expensive. Lip balm is included in the BOGO 50% off, and I do love this peppermint one. $3.79. What a great price point. Grabbing 2 of them, and I'm looking at this as a curbside pickup as well. 2 of them would be $5.68. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay 68 cents, and have 2 of them. Again, you're doing this without a booster. You can use your Walgreens cash, but this is a stock-up price for these Dr. Bronner lip products. Let's talk really quickly about some quick honorable mentions. The first is the Cascade. Buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. Now with this, are we going to get some digital coupons? And if we do, it's going to be rock and roll time for more dishwasher tabs. These theater size boxes of candy are 4 for $4. So, they're usually $1.99. Last minute Easter bunny stop, I guess, on Sunday. And then a lot of the food, 2 for $5 for the Blue Diamond. Very good price point. The Lay's chips would be $3 a bag. Not bad. And the Coke, 3 for $14.99. A little bit pricey for this lady. I would definitely use Walgreens cash if you're buying it for guests for Easter. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.